Girl.
Who says things like that in today's day and age?
Welcome to India.
People actually still say that?
Yeah.
Hi
see,
Ben,
wives always say that.
Ben Sultan, hi. Alright, so you guys are ready?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Alright, so we are just discussing about. Hey Bhavani, how are you? We're just discussing about WordPress, and they all did the WordPress class today. How was it? Okay, the Lambi, hi, welcome. Yes.
I thought creating a website was really complicated, but today it just seems so much, it doable at least.
Okay.
Something we can play around with and see how we can create our own personalized website. Was
They all
easier.
say hi, like Bhavani and Lambi says hi.
Hey.
Hi.
Okay, so good. So it simplifies it.
It's simplified,
Okay,
yeah.
good.
Today my mindset of creating a website has really been changed.
Okay.
I thought like
Thanks for sharing. One second. Thanks for sharing, Lambi. So they're sharing it to others too. Yes.
I was thinking only a technical person who knows coding can do a website, but today even I came to know like a non-technical guy can do a very attractive website. So it was a very good session. Thank you for Suresh for providing this.
Welcome.
So yes, as most people already said, that creating a website seemed like a very big task initially, but then the way, of course, Suresh you simplified it and made us understand, this is how we can get started. So it has helped us to probably get started. That is the important thing.
Excellent.
Well, non-technical person, it is really tough for me to understand how a website was made. But now, with the help of a bit of simplification, I think there are a lot of the things which will come in my mind, and there are a lot of the questions which will come for you. Sorry for that. And well, I've gone through so many websites, and I used to think like how these things can be done. What are the features they are adding on? Things like I would try to build my website, and I think one single domain will not be enough for that. I have to create a lot for that.
It's like creating something of your own and then like saying, "Wow, I did that."
Yes.
Yeah.
Good.
See, I'll give you a very live practical example of what happened to me in the company. Actually, I didn't know what is FTPC panel details and all that, and I asked my team to just make a change in this website. She was like, and she has chosen a template for that website, and I was like, no, I don't want this. You got to change this. She was like, no, this is a template. We cannot do this. We have to redo the entire website. I got really furious. You don't know anything. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. Maybe I should not have done that, because now I understand. It's like template, you can't use it. Then she, at the end of the day, she came and told me that, see, if you choose a template, you cannot make changes. I'll do the entire website, but we cannot customize anything in this template. Then so these are the grassroots things which I'm trying to learn, and of course this is going to help a lot in my career in future. So I mean, many more things to come.
Excellent.
Yeah, website is actually my condition is I have a technical but not coding expertise in my HTML. So I have a try to create a website. Actually, my company is on 7 to 8 website. So I have tried to best.
All right. Good.
Yeah, what I want to add on to the points what my other friends have said, like whatever we learned today, it was like awesome. Though I say that website development is a tedious task. However, the way it was explained by Suresh, we see it was quite simplified to us, and we feel okay. This is how the concept behind any developing of any website is as simple as like you understand the product, then you can easily develop the website using the already there are ready-made templates which are there in the market. So thanks for it.
I'm going through the entire.
Okay. What is that?
They're watching you guys screaming.
Okay. The blab.
No,
this is like this.
Periscope.
Oh, okay. Good. So, who's going to join Blab? Blab, who's going to join? No, Blab, blab.im. Can somebody type in who's doing Periscope? In the comment you can type in. Not in the desktop, in the laptop. I mean, in the mobile. So it is called blab.im. Blab.im. Okay. Yes, thank you. Lambi, thank you. So last night she was there too, I think. Yes, thank. So we are here just to give you an idea. Maybe you guys can just say hi or maybe your names too.
Hi, Nikhil this side.
Nikhil.
Samantha.
Samantha. Vineet here.
Avinder.
Arun, hi.
Arun and so using Blab. Who wants to join? I think somebody joined already. I think 4 people can join, right?
I just joined on Periscope thing.
Okay, Periscope. So this is Blab and see it is open. Ganesh.
Yes.
Okay. Oops.
You're not following through this one.
Okay, so you see that? The session.
How to search for that session?
Okay.
Like we are on Blab, but
Just log in.
There is a session called the website. No, so you have to click on that. 1 second. Oops.
There's no search.
Okay.
is there any search option from where I can search?
Blab. So there should be.
Go for tech.
Take.
Yeah, tech.
Okay. From there.
You are not able to view anything.
Like, I'm going to this page.
So you are able to log in.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
getting
he's logged in.
You can see both of them. You got it. You can see that yourself.
No, this Blab was ended.
Oh, this Blab has ended. Okay, let me create another one. Start a new Blab. Website. Tech. Now and start. All right.
It's over here, no?
So you see that one?
This is in between tech junkies.
All right. You have to give access to your webcam. Hi, Aaron.
Finally got it.
Okay.
Okay, in college, like
Yeah,
series.
college.
Yes.
It is open for
Okay. Accept.
I'm able to
Ganesh.
watch. Yes, I'm able to watch.
Okay. Aaron joined. You can watch it?
Yeah, I'm able to watch.
Can you connect to the projector?
projector.
Okay, who else is joined? Who else is joined? Arun has joined. Can you see?
Yeah, I can see you, but also I need to get the access of my cam, right?
Correct.
It's not getting.
Second button, I think. Yeah, this one. Right?
Okay, there. Who else wants to join here?
Okay, call in, I think again.
Yeah, you need to call in. Prashant, you joined?
Just
Yes.
let me see.
Is there a limit on how many people?
4. 4.
Oh, 4 is the limit, is it?
Yes.
I'm not able to log in with my camera is not working, only the microphone is working.
Okay.
Mine is still loading.
Alright, so for those who don't know, this is blab.im. You can invite people and actually you can have a chat. Periscope does not allow you to chat
With others,
yes,
yeah.
with the video or something. So here you can do that. So nobody is able to get inside?
I'm not able to get the cam. I believe I am on this thing.
Microphone.
Because they asked for the permission, but not for the cam.
Okay, what about you?
Even I'm not able to. I'm only able to view you. But
So
I'm
you're
not
able to view me?
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Okay, so I'm just seeing.
Now it's an empty chair.
No, I'm just seeing which one and all is coming. Okay.
This one is there,
Okay.
and but Ganesh, I'm not able to.
So
use.
you give access to your my your webcam. Your webcam should be on. Okay, try again. Click on the. You close it and try again. Wait.
Chat is open for
Hi, Mitch. Okay, somebody, Prashant.
Yeah, just I think I'm logging with the camera also this time. It's uploading.
How did you allow the access?
I have to accept it from here.
Okay.
So you click on seat is open for anyone. Click on that.
I clicked on that.
So you close that one. You close that, the first one, and then rejoin.
Okay.
What is your ID?
Mine.
Yours is Prashant, right?
Yeah.
And yours?
Arun.
No, it's not.
Still I'm not getting a cam.
You?
Prashant might be almost there. It's
Yes.
like
I'm getting a blank space over here. Earlier it was showing as a
Close it and now open it again.
I think I should refresh it. That's it.
Yeah. You have to give access to your webcam.
already given.
Okay.
It started. It asked for the first time. It's not. It didn't ask this time.
Anybody else?
Prashant says hi.
Yeah, you can type in there, but
So my file not coming on a
Yeah.
cam.
okay, I'll try it again now. I'm closing it.
Yeah,
So seat is open for anybody. Click on that. Yes, I can see Prashant.
It's again coming with only at the microphone.
I thought so.
I think that there is have to do with your settings, the camera settings. All right. So anyhow, let us continue with this. Can we switch on the lights too? Okay. Thank you. Let this one continue. Maybe we'll go through it. So what did you all learn today? What did you do today?
Created a website.
Okay. So let us go through the entire process. What?
We
Okay.
got the space, which is the hosting
Okay.
domain, and then the domain name, and then created a few pages, played around with it to understand what kind of content and what kind of stuff we can put onto our web pages.
Okay. So who can explain how to build a website? I mean, like how I was explaining. Who can do that? Building a website is like,
Like building a house.
okay, how is it? How is,
First, you have to find the space.
okay.
Then you have
What are the three things that you need to build a
First we
house?
started with the house, like
the
space,
property.
Property, okay.
domain name,
Domain
No,
name,
Legal registration.
legal domain name,
legal
Yes.
domain, yeah.
and hosting page.
No,
Then you build it.
the foundation.
Foundation
and
and-
foundation.
okay. May need to close any other program using the webcam such as Skype, for example. Aaron says. Thank you, Aaron. Thank you.
That is arrogant. Pretty arrogant.
Done with the square.
Yeah, he said if some other programs which is using the webcam, you should close it. Okay, so all right, let's. What is that we saw? Creating a website is like building a house. You need basic space. You need the foundation. I mean, you need the legal documents, and then you need the
The infrastructure, basically.
yes, that is the designing or building a house. So similarly, to create a website, you need three things. What are the three things?
One is space, which is about web hosting.
Okay,
Then second is the
Domain
legal
name.
domain name,
domain name.
in which you have registration and
Okay,
all that. Then of course, then finally you build the framework and you design the website.
okay. So in order to build it, where did we go? We can go to a registrar, which is
GoDaddy.
GoDaddy.
GoDaddy or
Okay.
Big rock.
Big Rock. Those are all registrars. And what we did there, we searched first.
for a
Search if the domain name is
Domain
available
name
or
exists here.
website name is available.
Okay.
If it was available, then yes, we went to
And bought the
GoDaddy.
hosting.
Hosting, we went,
Hosting.
what the hosting, how much it costed us for web hosting and approximately?
Around
1200.
So that is around $20, $25
Yeah.
USD?
Yes.
Okay, good. So for $20 we got the
Website on
Domain.
the join.
yeah, not even $20, 20
It's below 20.
fif-
20
No,
and
it's
$15, $15.
19.
Okay, so then we did, and what we did, so we got it registered and we installed WordPress, remember?
Yes.
So we got the hosting done and we installed WordPress, and from the WordPress, what we did, we installed the themes. So we went to Elegant Themes. There are several themes there, but we went to Elegant Themes, picked the favorite theme, and then we uploaded in a website. So we had the foundation. Now bringing this, what is that? Themes. We are making it like a little more prettier, and we are giving a structure to it. We laid the foundation, and then we are adding more rooms, for example, in the house, and then we are going to make it nicer, right? Okay, so that is what we'll be doing. So it was good, right?
Amazing.
Yes. So we all had a experience. This is the first time, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
Good. So any other things that you guys want to share to the audience?
Next week will be exciting, considering we have a lot of time to play around with it
Okay.
and come out with, literally do the interior designing of our website. So it should be fun.
Okay. By the way, what is your website? Maybe you guys can share your website. So
So mine is going to be the blog. It's more to put up my blogs and stuff.
okay.
So yeah, once I get that up and running, I guess every week we'll have 2 or 3 blogs going on there,
Okay.
and hopefully people will like them and come back.
Okay. So the website is not yet live, but still they can view. What is your website URL?
Mine is simplysams.com.
Okay. How do you spell it?
SIMPLYSAMZ.com.
mz.com. How much time did it take?
15-20 minutes.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mine is eimsystem.in. So it's basically about a school management system. So today it was a very good in developing it or coming up with a very innovative thing. It was very simplified way. I never thought would be this much simple. I'm looking forward to build more attractive way. So thank you.
Excellent. Great.
Mine will be coming up before next week.
Okay.
I will definitely come up with something. So still on a thought process.
Okay.
Mine is about a panel website, okay, wherein I want respondents to come and join a panel.
Mhm.
Okay, it's branded as reward in opinion, because
Okay.
any panel industry gives you rewards for your opinion. So it's branded as rewardinopinion.com.
Okay. Reward
In opinion.
opinion. Okay.
.com.
Excellent.
Actually, till now I have not created any domain. Already exist. I have a domain, lot of domain. So I have that existing domain. I am doing my.
Very good.
Mine is mediamazic.com.
How do you spell
It's
it?
MEDIAMAZIC.com.
Okay. Very
You can
good.
log in and soon it will be live.
So we did something else. What did we do? We created something else on the sidebar.
A video. We put up
How
a
do you
video.
do it? How did you do it?
We went into the pages created on the About Us page, I think, and then on the widgets. We use the widgets.
So we use the widget text. Yes.
Text, drag and dropped it
Okay.
into the sidebar area, and then went to YouTube,
Okay.
looked for a video, clicked on the share button, and then if it had an embed
Option.
then you use the link that was given
That
there.
is the code. Copy.
the code, and then put it into the sidebar text area, and you had the video on your website.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
And also, what we did today was more on static website, right?
Right.
And that was the main focus today, making a
Alright.
static website.
Good. Sounds
Also,
good.
we did another thing. We have customized our themes. For that, we have used Elegant Themes,
Mhm.
and then we downloaded the themes from there, whatever we liked, and then we again uploaded it using going to the platform. Sorry, where we have
Themes.
go to the dashboards and then click on the themes.
Yeah,
click on the
upload.
themes and then upload it, and it will
Correct.
get activated.
Okay. So this is what we did, right?
Yeah. a part of what we do.
Yes. Oh, and one more thing we understood. What is that?
E-commerce
Types of
websites.
websites, and then we also looked into domain names, extension.
Yes.
How a domain name should be short, relevant, and easy to read.
Right. And the different extensions like .com,
.in,
Yeah.
.edu, .org, .gov,
Right.
.co.in,
Basically, it's
.edu.
continent-wise,
Yes.
country-wise, and
And like regarding to your topic, on which the website has been created.
yeah.
If it is more related to a web player, you can go for the .org. It is related to education, you can go for .edu.
Yeah.
Also, you cannot go to some of the domain names like restricted ones like .gov. It's like
Right.
it is booked for the government organizations only. .edu also you have to go through certain procedures to get it registered for your sites.
Excellent. Thank you guys. I'm glad you guys are able to.
Recall.
Yes,
Yes.
exactly.
It's a nice way to recall.
Yes, and it's in Periscope too, so you
Yeah.
guys can watch it and at least you
Show
can
it to others.
right. All right. So good. Anything else you guys want to add? Okay.
Yes, also we I know one more thing we left out, that is e-commerce websites. How the e-commerce platforms are like.
Yes.
Like
Payment gateway.
Yeah, how it works, e-commerce particularly, like it was somewhere written here. Go to store. It's just like in a store. Similarly, you go to e-commerce site. Just we have taken example of Flipkart. Go to store, pick up your products, make it to add to cart. Then go to the payment gateways. Select eBay, PayPal. There are many options are available. Choose one of them and then
Yes.
check out and then get your products. That's it.
Okay. Good. Thank you. Our updating our podcast. Did you guys listen? Okay. Weekly, we are giving 2 podcasts, which is one is digitalindiapodcast.com. The latest one, what you see is the recent one for Indian audience, digitalindiapodcast.com. The other one is FIR Podcast Network.
FIR didn't get any this week.
Yes, it did.
I didn't get a notification because I am on FIR. So.
FIR Podcast Network. Now, that is FIR Podcast Network. Yes.
Code is or the page, Periscope.
Yes. Yeah, that's so. That was the last one. Yes,
Yeah.
we had a discussion there. Yes, at the end. So tomorrow Monday we'll be uploading another one. Okay. So 2 podcasts. Digital India Podcast is one for India specific updates. So in there we give weekly updates on digital marketing, what is happening throughout. But FIR is for the international audience, where we talk specifically what happens in India. Like Periscope, cops using Periscope, all those things. And you guys can get in touch with us. All our updates, pictures are posted in facebook.com/web marketing academy. Correct? Yes. All right.
Bye. Bye. See you.
Bye.